They look like micro locks, but micro locks start off with twists. Give it a close up. Yeah, the locks are locking. Lightweight and airy like a poppable. Hey, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel, and thank you for joining back at Brown and Confident. Today we are doing 20 reasons to get Sisterlocks. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Number one, Sisterlocks are very low maintenance. It's not much you have to do. You can watch my everyday Sisterlock routine. I'll leave it up in the cards. But that's not something I do every day. It's more so like every other day, every couple of days, because no, I don't leave the house every day or record. Go ahead and check out that video, but they are very low maintenance and not much you have to do to it. You have your regular scheduled reties and your maintenance appointments, and that's really it. Number two, the versatility that you get with Sisterlocks or any locks is really just amazing. They offer wide ranges of styling options like updo, braids, and curls, but it mimics regular loose hair, so you can do anything you want with it that you can imagine. So three, it gives you a natural look. Like I just said, Sisterlocks mimic loose natural hair. I put a picture here of how my loose natural hair used to be, and it just gives me that curly wash and go method, but we stretched it out. This is how I always wanted my hair to look, so I'm very grateful to have this look. Number four, durability. When properly cared for, Sisterlocks can really take you a long way. They could definitely last you years after years after years, and a lot of people just end up cutting them because they do get long. But if you properly take care of your hair, and I feel like overstyling can be a problem. If you do that, overstyling your hair can break off your hair. Cost effective. I feel like this one is on the list because of all the products that we normally buy as girlies for our curly hair. You already know we become product junkies, so it can become very cost effective to have Sisterlocks. Just do the math and see what works for you in your lifestyle. Next, we have healthier hair. The locking process can typically lead to less breakage and damage. Once your hair matures and stuff like that, like, we gonna have real strong locks, and they're gonna be harder for them to be damaged or broken off. I honestly feel like having Sisterlocks, I've had healthier hair. I've been trying to grow my hair for a long time, being natural, and it's taken me some time. So, but being locked in, actually keeping more of that shedded hair in and leaving my hair alone, I've actually seen a lot of growth in my hair. The unique appearance, especially when you first get them, within your first year, people will think that you're further along in your journey because they use the interlocking method. It locks your hair faster, and you know, it's just different. Sisterlocks just look different. They look like micro locks, but micro locks start off with twists, so they're not the same, but they are the same. So I get what everybody says, but either you're gonna start with twists or you're gonna start with interlocking. They are going to look different, okay? You are either going to have an interlocking pattern or you're going to have a twist out. What helped me make that deciding factor was my hair type. My hair is fine, silky, thin. I needed my hair to lock quickly, which means the interlocking process to me just made more sense. But go with what your hair needs and also your lifestyle and your professional needs, and that'll help you make the right decision. Next, we have less chemicals. Now, if you were relaxing your hair or dyeing your hair, you're gonna be using less chemicals. We don't really use nothing on our hair. We use water. We maybe use a little spray. Like I said, watch my video to see what I use on my hair every day. But we don't use harsh chemicals like relaxers, all that in our hair, which is safer for your hair and the environment. We encourage growth, which is our next topic. Sisterlocks encourages growth. Many people find that their hair grows faster with Sisterlocks, and I am proof of that. I don't think it's nothing I need to say. Like, The hair is growing. The hair is really growing. And find you a loctician that does both, that does micro locks and sister locks, so where you can compare them as far as the price, the look on your head, and like what you're going for as a lifestyle. The next topic is sister locks are very water friendly. We welcome water, we welcome moisture. Sister lock is gonna have us and we don't need to worry about anything. So sister locks are very water friendly. Number 11 is having a community, finding the right community for you. Me getting on social media, looking at all the lock girlies, whether they're micro locks or whether they're sister locks, seeing what they stand for. It doesn't have to be one of those Facebook communities like they be saying, find you a sister lock community. It doesn't have to be that. A community can be finding your own set of people that you like to follow and look at online. Next is a professional look. I don't know about other people, but I feel like my sister locks are very professional, and I know that's an argument between everybody that locks aren't professional, but they are. I feel like it's how you wear them or upkeep them. I do feel like sister locks and micro locks are professional. Next, they say sister lock increases your self-esteem. Once you get past that plucked chicken phase and everything starts to fill out, it's like a whole nother level of confidence. I've never had hair that you could see elongated like this, or the curls on the end of my hair, they just look neat, and I just feel like it just gives it a whole nother different look. So did it boost my self-esteem? Yeah. And falling in love with my hair and myself and just who I am. And I don't know if that has anything to do with turning 30, but we getting on topic. But yes, it definitely increased the self-esteem. The girlies are right. We all walking around feeling like we bad, because we are. It is definitely gonna boost your self-esteem. Retaining length. My hair is retaining length and I absolutely love it. That's something that I struggle with as a curly natural, and I don't know if that was just because of the shrinkage. The shrinkage is real, and even with locks, it's real. Give it a close up. Yeah, the locks are locking, and tying all that together, they're very lightweight. Lightweight and airy like a poppable. Barely feel it on my head. I have talked to people that were 3 years and 4 years in, have way thicker locks than me. They do say, oh, when I wash it, it's heavy, and I can only imagine. Easy to accessorize. I'm looking for some new beads for my hair, but as you can see, I have beads. I accessorize my hair with beads, I think around like month 7. Like, these have been in for a long time. And before you ask, no, I don't take them out the wash. We just wash them with the beads on, and my hair is just fine. But sister locks are easy to accessorize. They have so many different beads and clamps and hooks and combos for you to put in your hair. It promotes scalp health. Okay, so they say the locking process promotes better air circulation around the scalp, potentially improving its health. 18, no heat required. We ain't gotta worry about sizzling our hair. We ain't gotta worry about burning it off. We ain't gotta worry about losing our edges due to heat. We ain't gotta worry about heat damage. And most importantly, we don't have to buy any silk press stuff to do our hair. We are all natural. Everything is perfect. Now, I have seen the girlies do a bump and curl on their sister locks. I have seen them flat iron it. I don't know about all that. I don't think we doing all that. Number 19, easy travel. Like I said earlier, we ain't gotta worry about water. We could get in a pool, and I'm 14 months right now. I didn't need to go swimming or anything in my first year or nothing, so it didn't hinder my locking process. But they say you can't go swimming when you first get your locks, but yeah. But after that, easy travel, a little edge control and a little bonnet, but that's all you need, girl. I know you're not going to be excited about this one, but number 20, environmental benefits, okay? We are saving the planet, okay? We don't need all that product. We're not contributing to environmental waste. So we're actually doing the community some justice while also giving back to ourselves and getting back to the roots. Being natural is very rewarding. I love seeing my hair. I love seeing the changes in my hair and in myself. And I just love this whole process, this journey. I feel like every Sisterlock journey is different. Yours is not going to look like mine. Your hair is not my hair. So I feel like just take this journey for yourself and see what can become of it. You can kind of see how your Sisterlocks are going to turn out by just looking at your hair. My hair looks the same. It's very curly, it's very wavy, it's very silky, it's very fine. That did not change one bit. If you have any other questions or comments, make sure you leave them down below. Thank you for coming back to another video. My name is Rachel. We love having you here at Brown and Confident. You have a great day and a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.